Hey guys, welcome to a new video on Banknifty analysis. Uh, Today, let's see what happened in Banknifty. Yesterday, I told you to mark this level, 44,560 level. Really, if market sweeps this area, definitely there will be big upside momentum. Actually, it did happen, but it was very late in the afternoon. What happened in Banknifty? What happened in Nifty? Everything was confusing today. If you see the Nifty chart from morning, I'll just put it side by side. Let me show you. So clearly you can see here, Bank Nifty was coming down gradually, continuously. It came, but Nifty was trying to push higher because of the Nifty IT. Nifty IT gave a very good strong rally today. It was close to 4.5%. Yeah, clearly see because of this move, Nifty was unable to come down. I think today Bank Nifty is the banks, majorly I think private banks. I guess just let me see the PSU banks. Yeah, okay, PSU banks. The real reason why Bank Nifty was going down today. There is a reason, and even I think it has pulled down the Nifty also, and also some banks, private banks also. I think even Reliance was not performing so well today. Let me see. Yeah, even Reliance was underperforming today. So it was a weird day today. If you see the chart, Nifty Bank. Okay. So this is, if you clearly see, even though it was quite bullish in Nifty, there's no clear direction even in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty came till here, it tried to reverse from here. I don't know what point is this. Again, it did double bottom kind of thing here, swept that low and came here. Instead of opening such a big gap up, they could have opened somewhere here and went up in the morning, right? So I don't understand what is the logic behind opening gap up, selling off, then again buying it. See, smart money is really playing like this. It becomes very difficult. See, this is what kind of movement is this? Complete manipulation. See, I'll show you example. I took many stop losses today. 2-3 stop losses I took. This last trade was where I tried to cover my losses. Anyways, so here we can see, even though this is a big red candle, seen 1 minute chart, you can clearly see. I'll just show you the CE chart. CE chart, you can clearly see the first 5 minute chart was a very green candle, big green candle, even though the candle was not so decisive. Post that, what it has done is, it has been doing this zigzag momentum. I don't know why it went till this zone and why it still. If you consider this as a kind of zone, this is not a real supply zone. Real supply is in here actually. Ideally, you should have gone till here and then reverse. I understand. So this is completely manipulated move today because see, their intention is not to track the market down. The intention of market makers basically is not to drag the market down. They just want to trap everyone. See how the trap is done. I show with the first big green candle, they will trap everyone. People will keep the stop loss here, so they'll hit very big. Suppose they do some, if they have done some retracement, I'll show you in 1 minute. So lots of reason why the market should have gone up from. Suppose someone had kept the stop loss here or here, it went actually. It went for around close to 30 points. Okay, there's some momentum. It gave 30 points, but immediately it's reversing for no reason. See, because Nifty was falling, I understand Bank Nifty also fell, but I think somewhere here, post 10 o'clock, Nifty started becoming stable and started to move up because the pressure from Nifty IT was so much that it couldn't go lower than this point. So, what happened in Bank Nifty is a very big disaster today. Completely, it's manipulated. We can clearly see. But Good thing is it swept this low 44 550 560. This I already predicted. This was a it was forming like a double bottom, we can say double bottom kind of thing. So it swept that low and went up. So this move we can say is easily capturable. So if you had traded took the entered CE at the 44 600, kept the stop loss at this low. This was one single move which would have given a lot of points. Suppose I'll show you 44 500. See, the market actually moved close to 325 points, I guess. Let me, yeah, around 300 points. But this 44 500 also moved, if I'm not wrong, 150 points. So close to 50% it has gone. So this was a one single move which was enough to cover everything. But yeah, see, after such a big fall, when no one will be expecting the market would reverse like this. I mean, everyone will be thinking market will go a lot of zigzag moments, but this move would have triggered all the stop loss of all the sellers here, who sold the call options or who bought the put options. They were thinking of more this one, we don't know what was the, because somewhere here you can see the bank nifty is below previous day, but nifty is above CPI. Somewhat weird market today, weird setup. Anyways, yeah, nifty was a good trading day today. Nifty, whoever traded nifty today, I think their stop losses won't have it so much. They got good trades and they ended up making good money. But bank nifty was like, maybe if they could even get break even, I mean, that was great. But anyways, this kind of move in the market definitely it's difficult to digest. It is not technically, it's not doing anything. See, here again, I'll just show you. This candle took out the liquidity of this candle and went up. You can see this red candle took out the liquidity of all the four candles and came down. So how do you predict? So it's doing zigzag like this. So even if you had taken a based on single candle mitigation, if you had taken entry here, this market literally, if you see almost like till 9:40, more than 35-40 minutes, it was not doing anything. Suppose if I had taken a counter trend move, saying let us take some put options and trade till bottom central CPI. Even the CPI was wide, so maybe you could have captured something. This move was not very easy, but yeah, it gave a momentum to the downside. So somewhere here, yeah, very quite difficult actually. It was not easy. Mark this as an order flow. Arcade came down and respect and came down here. This was one more trade, but it's very difficult because when market is at a level of support, almost like previous day low or this particular zone, what I told you, definitely it is highly risky to take PE because already the momentum for the has been in the downside from the morning. So we cannot trust the bears here. Anyways, yeah. So this was the perfect entry. I think it's not even, I mean, after a lot of stop losses in C side, I think one of these trade definitely could have entered and yeah, it was difficult, quite difficult, but yeah, you should have trusted. See, here also same kind of moment happened, if you can clearly see. Right, it came back sharply and it came back. So there'll not be much conviction in this. See, whenever market had this one, this hammer kind of candle here, it remained sideways for two candle and gave a breakout. So even if you enter at this zone 44,615 with the stop loss of say 44,594, yeah, it is kind of 15 plus 5 20, around 10 to 12 points. So how much stop loss you will take, because already we would have taken a lot of stop losses here. So these are all proper CE entries actually. You see, this first entry was a very good CE entry because it was a clear breakout of this range. It did a breakout and suddenly within last, I think if you clearly see, this move came. The premium chart never gave a clue that it is going to fall from them because 940 the candle was a green candle. I'll just show you. Yeah, you see, let me show you. So whenever we are trading in the 1 minute chart, this is the disadvantage. Sometimes if liquidity sweep happens, will not come to know unless we are in the 5 minute chart. Anyways, yeah, this is a clear liquidity sweep here also. Yeah, it was evident, but see, when the trend is upside, definitely liquidity sweep will always look out for liquidity sweep in downside. So all these entries what we took here, there was one liquidity sweep on the downside. So there was a reason for market to go up. Nowhere it came down. It came down sharply and it mitigated this zone basically. This 44, 560 and then took off without any clue. So highly improbable anyone would have traded this, especially because they don't know the logic of this previous low, whatever. Market is just playing here, that's all. Now it's quite evident that market wants to push higher. I think expect a very big gap up on Monday. So let us see. Monday you can see a very narrow CPR actually. Very narrow CPR. Not so narrow, but yeah, quite narrow. Definitely one day will be a big gap up, or if it opens somewhere here within CPR range or something, be aware. So if there is a gap up only, I think there will be some kind of bullish momentum. Otherwise, I don't think so. Market will be in a bullish mode because the way it is closed today, Bank Nifty especially, I'm not talking about Nifty. Nifty has closed very well today. The way the Bank Nifty closed, at least if we are closed above this high, right, day's high, and it would have been very good actually. Let us see. I'm still bullish, but yeah. Basically, I can say that breakout of this zone, basically 44,924, is the next zone we have to watch out for. Is this zone basically. So immediately after this, there is a zone here, 45,047. So don't trade until this high is broken. What I can say is R1. You can say R1 not 40. This particular high is broken 45.39. Don't take bullish entries. Be bullish, but watch out this zone. There can be a reversal from this zone. Okay. So if it breaks out of this zone, you can sit in bullish trades. I mean, only the pullbacks as a scalping till the next major high. What you can see in the market is of this. Yeah, lot of resistance we can see. This resistance built up everywhere. Let us see. My unmitigated zones, I'm just checking out unmitigated zones. So this is one unmitigated zone. Here there is an unmitigated zone. I hope market goes till this zone, basically 45, 350 to 45, 400 maybe. This is the next move for the market. So where this comes, so it comes from the R. So there is a confluence, if you can see, right? So if the market is the CPR is very narrow, and also we have this R3 level coinciding with this supply zone here. Chances are high market can go and test this, or can even break out this area and even break out of this all-time high. We don't. Our point is very simple. If you have it, you can keep a stop loss of 8 to 10 points and target 70, 80 points. That's it. Not a big targets will not set. In the money or at the money options, definitely they'll give 70, 80 points with a stop loss of 10 rupees. So that is our target. So I don't mind even if market goes to 46,000. Only if you get the proper confirmation stop loss, then only we'll enter the trade. There's no point in predicting it will go to Mars, it will go to Moon. So that is my opinion on buying it. Downside, yeah, downside is I don't think so it will come down again. Done. So Bank Nifty again may start a new rally. Yeah, but watch out if it's below CPR. Again, it may come and test the IS1 low, P low, previous low. There's a high probability it will be open gap up only maybe. It can open with a very big gap up near somewhere R1 or R2, 50%, somewhere 45,000, and it will do a retracement like this and go up. My this one is if it opens with a big gap up somewhere near above this zone also, maybe 45 40 it will come, take support at previous high or R1 like this, go to maybe R3 also. There's a chance. Let us see. I'm basing this just based on how it closed today. I'm not telling this based on any kind of any other index or any other stocks constituting Bank Nifty, constituents of Bank Nifty. Basically, this is clear momentum to the upside. You can clearly see one side momentum. Okay, this is my prediction. Let me know what are your thoughts. If you found this video useful, give a like, subscribe, comment on this video, and let me know your thoughts. Thank you.